Do you worry that you might run out of gigabytes on either your iPhone or your iPad? Well, fortunately, there is a function in settings that can help out. So let's go check it out. So we're going to go to settings, which is the gray icon with kind of a gear-like picture on it. I'm going to tap on it. Here we are in settings. And I'm going to scroll up till I get to General. I'm going to tap on General. And if you're on your iPad, you will see it says iPad storage. But right here it says iPhone storage. So I'm going to tap there. And what I see immediately up at the top is a band that tells me how much storage I have left. And you can notice that I have quite a bit of empty gray space, which means I have a lot of storage left. That's because I've bought extra storage. But what's important is that the color bands tell me what functions or what parts are using up the most space. And you can see here that the red is by far the largest band, and that's apps. Well, there is this function called Offload Unused Apps. And here are all my apps down here. Let's just take a look at them. So you see I've used photos quite recently. But GarageBand, it's been a while. I can go down. Whoops, this isn't scrolling. And although some of the dates aren't showing, it will tell me exactly when I've used them. And it also tells me, more importantly, how much space they take up. So I'm going to go back up here. Now, I've never enabled this offload unused apps. So I'm going to do that now. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's find out. So I'm going to put enable. Okay, so I'm going to offload unused apps when I get close to running out of space. And notice it also says that I can change this preference in iTunes and the App Store in settings. So that's good to know. Nothing is ever totally engraved in stone. So again, if you are worried that you're going to run out of space, if you go to Settings, General, iPhone or iPad storage, and you enable the offload the unused apps, you will gain some more space for yourself. Try it out.